Here we go, ready? Steele benches, back row, baby.
He said, let him know when you get back.
Alright. Steele benches, baby.
We gonna let you know, alright?
Let's see what's better, Gwazi or Steele benches, baby. Let's go.
I don't know, the intensity of Gwazi is...
Yeah.
I haven't been on Steele benches in 2 years. We're about to figure it out.
Whoa. Whoa. Ready for this?
Ready, man. Let's get it. Back row.
Back row, baby. Going over.
We are at the top.
Let's go. Wow! Oh my God!
Gwazi, the Outer Bank is better though.
Yeah.
The Outer Bank.
Whoa! 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 Oh my God, it's so much airtime! Wow!
I see the wave. The wave your turn.
Yeah! Wow! 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 Okay. Alright,
I'm Gwazi way more intense.
it's definitely way more intense.
This guy, I don't know. I still got Gwazi #1, man. I'm sorry.
I don't know.
I got